Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've been trying to log into Steam but keep getting stuck with that annoying CAPTCHA error, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix it step by step. First, close Steam completely. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus S to open Task Manager, find Steam, right-click, and click End Task. This makes sure Steam isn't running in the background. Next, reopen Steam, and at the top left corner, click Steam Settings. Now click on In-Game, and scroll down until you find Delete Web Browser Data. Click Delete. This will clear out old cache data that sometimes causes CAPTCHA errors. After that, go back to the left side menu and click Downloads. Here, click Clear Download Cache. Steam will ask to restart. Just confirm it. Once it restarts, try logging in again. If you still see the error, check your internet connection or switch to another network, like a mobile hotspot. Once the connection is stable, log in again. It should work perfectly now. And that's it. Your Steam CAPTCHA error is fixed. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you want me to cover more Steam fixes like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.